Hi everyone, welcome back to another round of phonics. This time it's day 4 and we're taking a look at the oi sound spelled O-I or O-Y. And remember, this is not sound by sound. Because it's day 4, we're going to go ahead and do syllable blends. That means you're going to take your knowledge from all that blending that you've done in your head, and we're going to go ahead and say each syllable and then whole word. Ready? Syllable by syllable, whole word. Ready, teachers? On the first line, 3, 2, 1. Pin, point, pinpoint. Next one.
End,
Point,
end
point. Next one. Go. Point,
less,
pointless. Next word. Go.
mid, point, midpoint,
Reread for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Pinpoint,
end point, pointless,
and midpoint. What did you notice, teachers? Wow, Ms. Yakimowicz, what did you notice?
I noticed that all of the words have the word point and that they're compound words.
Oh my goodness. You know what? I have to be honest. I did not do that intentionally and it came out that way. Awesome sauce. Yes. So we have point in all of these words, which has the OI in it. And then she figured out that all of these are compound words. Awesome sauce. Anything else that you may have noticed? Oh, right. Oh, okay. Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
These are 2-syllable words.
2-syllable count words, yes. And also I was going to point out the word that was not circled is either a CVC or CVCC word. All right, let's jump over to our second line. Ready? Syllable by syllable. 3, 2, 1. Exploit. Exploit. Very good. Open vowel.
Detroit.
Detroit. Next word. Go. Loiter. Next word. Quoit.
Wait, what?
Let's go ahead and reread that for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Exploit,
Detroit,
loiter, and quoit. What did you notice? Yes, Miss T.
I noticed the oit sound spelled O-I-T.
O-I-T, 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 and O-I-T. You nailed that. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
I see the spelled E-R at the end of loiter.
Yes. Ooh, can't sneak that by you, miss. All right, let's go ahead and jump over to line 3. Remember, syllable, syllable, whole word. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Joyful. Joyful. Next word. Joy. Stick. Joystick. Next word.
And
joy,
Meant. Enjoyment. Next word. Joy. Ride. Joyride. We read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Joyful. Joystick.
enjoyment, joyride.
What did you notice in this line? Yes, Ms. Yakimowicz.
I noticed that all of these words have the word joy.
Joy to the world.
J-O-Y.
J-O-Y, J-O-Y, J-O-Y. Perhaps because it's day 4 and we wanted to experience some joy in here. All right, let's go ahead and jump over to our last one here. This is a sentence, boys and girls. This is the time where you hit that pause button. Think about it. Try to find as many words as you can that have the oi diphthong spelled O-I or O-Y. Teachers, when you're ready, go. Wow, awesome sauce. Ms. T, what's the first word you found?
Detroit.
Detroit. Ms. Hernandez?
joyful.
Joyful. Ms. Yakimowicz?
Joyride.
Joyride. Ms. T?
Roy.
Roy. Let's go ahead and reread those specific words for our students as a good model. What's this word?
Detroit.
Joyful. Joyride. And Roy. Boys and girls, do not try this at home. All right, let's go ahead and reread this sentence. 3, 2, 1.
He went to Detroit to get a joyful joyride
from Roy. Let's have Ms. Yakimowicz reread that for fluidity, please.
He went to Detroit to get a joyful joyride from Roy.
And Ms. T, could you go ahead and scoop that out for us?
Detroit to get a joyful joyride from Roy.
And Miss Hernandez, is it decoding time?
No. It's encoding time.
Encoding time. So this is that time to grab that whiteboard marker, whiteboard, pencil, paper, crayons, whatever you may have at home to help you try out to encode with us. Remember, boys and girls, patterns here. I give you the spelling of the oi, oi, oi sound. Be mindful, I'm giving you easy ones, medium, hard. Ready? Here we go. Teachers, thumbs to your chest when you're ready to go. Awesome. Thank you. Boys and girls, hit pause if you need the scaffolds. First word. The word is hoist. Hoist. Oist. Oist. Hoist. Show me, teachers. Excellent. H-O-I-S-T. Next word, moist. Moist. Oist. Oist. Moist. Go ahead, teachers. You are correct. Let's move on. The word is foist. What's the word? Foist. What's the word?
Foist.
Foist. Very good. Oist. Oist. Show me. Foist. Thank you so much. And I needed you to say that back so that you knew which one I was working with. Okay, the next one, it should be easy. The word is joist. What's the word? Joist. 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 Go ahead and show me. And you should have figured out, beautiful job, that all of these have the O-I-S-T pattern. Jump over to the next column. Ready? I gave you the E sound here. The word is beach boy. What is it? Beach boy. B-E-ch. Beach. B-oy. Boy. B-E-ch. B-oy. Beach boy. Show me. Awesome. Yes, that is a beach boy. Let's go. Decoy. What's the word? Decoy. D-E-D-K-oy, koi. D-E-K-oy. Decoy. Show me, teachers. Decoy. Awesome. Let's keep it up. 3-syllable count. Ready? The word is employer. Employer. E-M-P-O-Y. Ploy. E-M-P-O-Y. Employer. Show me, teachers. Yes, R control vowel ER is correct on that. Next word, gave you a schwa here. The word is disloyal. What is it? Disloyal. It's disloyal. Disloyal. Show me, teachers. Excellent. Let's jump on to the last category over here. Tenderloin is the word. Tenderloin. Ten. Der, watch that R control vowel. Oi, loin. Oi, tenderloin. Show me. You are correct. Tenderloin. Last word here. The word is checkpoint. What's the word? Checkpoint. Check. Oi, point. Check. Oi, checkpoint. Show me, teachers. Excellent, excellent job. Very nicely done. Boys and girls, it's time for that sentence. Yes, it seems like a lot, but it really isn't. Take that moment to hit that pause button if you need to write that scaffold in. If you don't need it, go ahead and write as I dictate or say it back to you. Teachers, thumb to your chest, let me know. Yes? Beautiful. Here we go. The word is the, and then here we go. Beach boy, B-E-Ch, beach, B-oy, boy, B-E-Ch, B-oy, beach boy, was eating a tenderloin, ten, der, oy, oy, tenderloin, and sirloin, sir, oy, oy, sirloin, instead of the charbroil. Char, oil, broil, oil, charbroil, burger, 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 And Ms. Rosales forgot to put that period at the end. She'll sneak that in right now. And teachers, when you're ready, go ahead and show me your work.
What a very hungry beach boy.
Yeah, he is. Awesome sauce. Yes, did it correctly, capitalized and punctuated. Great job. Boys and girls, thank you so much for trying your very best. Remember to come and join us back tomorrow for the last day of the focus on the diphthong oi. All right, bye everyone. Don't forget to subscribe.